To see download history on Google Play Store, the first thing that you need to do is you have to make sure that you are using your Android phone. You can't actually see installed apps to your Apple device, so you have to make sure it is Android. Now press on the Play Store or Google Play Store, and then on the Google Play Store, you will see there the icon that is located at the upper right. So what you need to do is to press on that. After pressing on that, you will see their options, and then from the options, you will see their manage app and device. What you need to do is to click on that as well. After clicking on that, you will be redirected on the page where you will see their overview and manage. What you need to do is to click on the manage options. After clicking on the manage options, now you will see there the installed apps, updates available in games. Now you can go ahead and redirect yourself on the installed and see the download or installed history from your Google Play account or application on the other end.